Garima Asati welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to explain you about the topic Otalgia in English on the demand of few of my non-Hindi patients. So, what is Otalgia? It is also known as earache or ear pain. It is of two types, primary earache and secondary earache. So, the primary one is which originates from the ear itself and causes pain in the ear, while the secondary one is the referred type of pain in which location is something else and pain radiates up to the ear. Friends, before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, kindly subscribe the channel, tap the bell icon to get the latest updates of the videos. And kindly see the video till the last, because at the last I am going to explain you about some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this Otalgia. So let's continue with the symptoms of this Otalgia. So this pain may occur in one ear or in both the ears, and the accompanied symptoms along with this are fever, there is sensation of vertigo, that is world is spinning, ear itching, and there is fullness in the ear. Patient may feel there is sensation of fullness because of excessive accumulation of wax within the ear. And it may get worsen with chewing. It may be continuous or intermittent too. In children or neonates, it is usually because of the infection, while in adults, the symptoms may include hearing loss, dizziness, and ringing, that is tinnitus, within the ear. Now let's talk about the causes of this Otalgia. As I have told you earlier that it is of two types, primary and the secondary one. Primary one is because of the pain originate at the ear itself, and secondary one is the referred one. Now let's talk about the causes of external ear pain. Ear is divided into three parts, external, middle, and inner one. So let's first discuss about the causes of external ear pain. So it may be because of trauma or any kind of blow at the external ear, which may cause this Otalgia. It may be any tumor also at the outside of the ear, which may lead to this ear pain. Some environmental factors like sunburn, frostbite, or chronic dermatitis may also lead to this external ear pain. Earwax impaction or foreign body like insect bite may also lead to infection at the outer ear, herpes zoster, any kind of bacteria like Pseudomonas, Staphylococcus aureus, and swimmer's ear may also be the cause of this external ear infection. That swimming pool water may cause infection in the ear and in the external ear too. Now let's discuss about the causes of middle ear infection. So acute otitis media is the commonest cause, and we'll discuss it later as it is a very big and vast topic. It itself requires homeopathic approach. Mastoiditis, that is inflammation of the ear cells of mastoid process behind the ear. It can also lead to any kind of infection, and it refers the pain from mastoid process to the ear. Next one is meningitis, that is inflammation of the meninges of the brain, can also lead to this middle ear inflammation and pain. Periostitis, that is inflammation of the petrous portion of temporal bone. Labyrinthitis, that is inflammation of the labyrinths. Subdural abscess, that is abscess present below dural membrane or dura mater. It also leads to the pain in the middle ear and any kind of brain abscess. Any rupture in the tympanic membrane may also cause this middle ear Otalgia. Referred ear pain may be dental pain from cavities may lead to this middle ear otalgia, oral cavity carcinoma, tonsillitis even after post-tonsillectomy, pharyngitis, sinusitis, parotiditis, GORD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease, that is acidity. It may also cause this middle ear pain. MI may also lead to this middle ear pain. Carcinoma of oropharynx, trigeminal neuralgia, and cervical spine trauma. This is the cervical spine. The upper portion of the spine is the cervical spine, and any trauma leads to this middle ear otalgia. These are the causes of middle ear pain. Now let's discuss about the diagnosis of this otalgia. So clinical examination or physical examination, ear examination is sufficient, but sometimes CT scan, MRI and biopsy may also be needed. Now let's discuss about the management part of this otalgia. So antibiotics and painkillers are given. Now friends, let's discuss about the homeopathic cause, one of the cured case of otalgia via homeopathy, and some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this otalgia. So let's begin with the homeopathic cause. So patient doesn't want to hear anything which must be undesirable or unpleasant. So patient doesn't want to hear any unpleasant thing. It leads to this otalgia. Now friends, let's discuss one of the cured case of this otalgia via homeopathy. A patient aged 20 years suffering from this otalgia. There was too severe pain in the ears and it gets aggravated from the warmth of bed, especially aggravated at night, and it is an extending type of ear pain which gets referred up to the teeth. After taking whole history, we got the mental symptoms as weak memory, hurriedness in speech, stammering, and there was ailment from anger as being dominated by parents, and which he doesn't want to be. So he doesn't like to be dominated. He doesn't want to hear by his father as being scolded. Time passes too slowly and there is a delusion that everyone is his enemy. After taking whole history, we took the rubric, ailments from anger vexation, and there was cold aggravation. So we gave Merck salt 200, which cured him completely within a period of 10 days. Now friends, let's discuss about some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this otalgia. So the first medicine is calcarea sulph, and there is otitis after a slap. So whenever a patient suffers from otitis or deafness after a slap or discharges of bloody or purulent variety after a slap, this calcarea sulph will be helpful in curing such cases. The mental generals of this calcarea sulph are despises those who don't agree him. So he doesn't like those persons who disagrees him. And he is always lamenting that he has not received the actual credence, what is actually due to him, and nobody in this world actually will use him. So he always grumbles that his value is not being recognized by anyone. So if these symptoms correspond, calcarea sulph will be helpful in curing such cases. The next medicine is hypersulph. So there is discharge of fetid pus from the ears. There is hardness of hearing along with the pain, and there is charting type of pain within the ear. Pain is always out of proportion to the actual one. Now let's talk about the mental symptoms of this hypersulph. So slightest cause irritates him. There is always hurry in speech. There is disposition to contradict, hurry while eating, and slightest things startles him. He gets irritated and too much quarrelsome. So if these symptoms correspond, This Hippercell will be helpful in curing such cases. That's all for today. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new subject. The clinic address of mine and the contact number is given in the description link. It's my humble request to you all, kindly don't take any medicine without consulting doctor, otherwise it will not be too much helpful for you. And kindly subscribe the channel, tap the bell icon to get the latest updates of the videos. Stay connected to stay healthy. Thank you.